Hey Scott, I wanted to I don't know if this solves what you're asking, but I wanted to show you with Thunkable taking two spreadsheets, basically loading them in and then dumping them out to a different spreadsheet or maybe doing some processing in between. Thunkable is coding, right? But it's blocks coding, but it's pretty powerful and they have a really great data source mechanism. So what I did was in the designer, you can kind of basically load in spreadsheets, okay, and they can just be Google Sheets is what I created. And I create, my Google Sheet, I just have 18 holes of golf for golfer one and golfer two. And then what I want to do is come up with, the winners. Okay, so my processing is pretty simple, but I am going to create this third sheet, which is the transformed data of the three. Okay, so that's what I want to do. And this setup was pretty easy. I put in a couple data viewers on my screen just so I can see the scores on the screen. And then the idea is as soon as I click on process data, it's going to run my app and my third spreadsheet should fill up. Okay. Real quickly, I'll just show you the blocks and then I'll run the code. So what I do is I just go grab a column from each of the two score sheets. I loop through those things. I do my processing. Okay, I find out who the winner of each hole is. Basically, that's my processing, but you could put anything you want there. And then finally, I stick a row in that third sheet in the golf results. And let's see. So I'm going to run this app and it's just going to show me my stuff. I could run this on my phone as well, either way. And as I run it, let me bring up this sheet here because it's going to get filled in. And as soon as I hit process data, those blocks I showed you should start running. And I think stuff will start coming into and there it goes. Yeah. So player one, push player one. So anyway, here's a pretty simple Thunkable app. And I'll put in the link in the Twitter response. But it's a pretty simple Thunkable app. Oh, let me stop editing here. Where you can kind of process data from two spreadsheets and then stick it in a different spreadsheet and do some computations in the middle. Not sure if this is what you're looking for, but I saw your tweet. And I just wanted to see if I could do something real simple, real quick.